Namaste everyone. Today we are going to learn about a single Vastu product which helps to protect your aura. That's basically 7th chakra. What is basically aura? Aura is a vibration which attracts your wishes and protects you from any negative energies. So when this aura is diluted or negative, the negative drishti, that's basically evil eye of a person, starts connecting to you. Your health related problems starts occurring. That means you are a complete fit guy, but suddenly you start facing health issues and all. This is why, because your 7 chakras are weak. Along with this, any work, any task which you're performing, if certain hurdles are coming, certain obstacles are coming, at that time you can understand that your surrounding is not supporting you. Why is this happening? Because your aura is negative or it's been diluted. So how to balance them? The first and the best thing is through meditation, the 7 chakra activation. And if we talk about remedies, the aura booster is the best product which can protect your aura from any negative energies and balance you. Aura booster is, this is a packing. Inside you'll get a aura booster, that's basically a brass bar, and there are crystals filled in them. Metal and crystal both we get from our environment. Anything which we get from our prakriti, that's environment. In Vastu Shastra it is considered one of the most powerful remedy. Along with this, there's a healing symbol backside which continuously creates positive energies and recharge the crystal inside this aura booster. So aura booster, what you can do, you can place it in your pocket, in your purse, on the office table, so that if a client is entering your shop, the negative energies which are going to connect you, this aura booster will take inside them, and those negative energies will never matter to you. So to protect yourself and protect your surroundings, aura booster is considered one of the best product. Why you have to use? You have to use because if you are facing health issues, if you are facing work blockages or work struggles, at that time aura booster is considered very important. Along with this, a special remedy or a special benefit is it starts attracting all the positive energies and your wishes. That means if you want money, health, wealth, relation, marriage, or any wishes there, when those are not happening according to you, at that situation aura booster is considered very auspicious because it will create a path, it will create a vibration which will support you to connect them. And if anyone is facing health issues or recovery issues or slow recovery, at that situation also aura booster is given to them so that the aura can be strong, positive, and the 7 chakras can be balanced, because the crystals placed in this aura boosters are related to 9 planets, 7 chakras, and Gomti chakras. That's a C product through which a positive vibration starts creating near them. So whenever you place a aura booster with yourself or in your bag, it creates a positive opportunities, it creates positive energies which will help to achieve your goals and targets. So if you want to order this aura booster, you can contact in the number given below. Along with this, you can surely comment any queries or any doubts if you have related to Vastu Shastra, numerology or astrology. You can comment those in your comment section so that we'll read that thoroughly and the next video will be made according to that. In addition, you can subscribe our channel so that any information related to occult science will never be missed, because through small remedies, how can we create positive karmas, how can we transform our life, this all information we will learn in our channel. So do subscribe my channel. Or if you want to check the Vastu of your plan, you can surely send the plan in the number given below. After consultation, all the remedies will be provided in our shop. And if you have a query related to Vastu Shastra, like how Vastu can transform our life, how occult science supports you to achieve any goals and targets, that means through our ancestors, that our surrounding should be always with the strong people, with the powerful and influential people, because how our surrounding will be there, our brain patterns, our brain frequencies starts adapting it. That's why the same logic is connected to Vastu Shastra. That means in Vastu, if you follow the rules and regulations, our surrounding supports us to achieve all that goals and targets. Along with this, we learn 350 plus remedies in our course. That's basically your budget friendly remedies, your religious, any religion you are connected, through which remedies you can use or which you can avoid, and according to your country, like which place you stay. So this all remedies will be taught in our class. Along with this, basic to advanced, that means if you are now beginner to professional Vastu consultant, what are the knowledge required to pursue it, we'll learn in this course. Along with this 45 devtas, that's basically advanced part, but in this course it's included, because devtas are pinpoint solution. That means after balancing the 16 zones, if you're not achieving those results which you want, at that situation you can activate those 45 devtas to get the great result. And aura scanners and pendulums, these are basically Vastu tools through which we can sense the energy, or any queries that's like yes or no, that all questions can be solved through aura scanners. That's give an example, like if you have a product, you have to use this or you have to avoid this, which remedies are most effective, which has the most positive energies, or the remedy placement we have to place here or place here, this all doubts we can clarify through aura scanners and pendulums. So this complete content we'll learn in our course. If you want more information, you can check in the description link or contact the number given to enroll in this course.
In our showroom, you'll receive more than 2000 plus variety of Vastu products such as radium tapes and metal strips, Sampurna Vastu Gyan Chakra, helix, aura boosters, and different type of protectors through which energies can be balanced. Toilet protectors, kitchen, main door protectors, lucky cards, Pyra cards, many type of crystal bracelets can be made as a customized for you. And Vastu Swastik Pyramid and Pakwas, many type of crystal variety of trees, pyramids such as lead, metal, crystal, plastic, 9 planet pyramids, lockets, Rashi lockets, Pakwas, Ashtamirrors, dome mirror, geopathic rods, semi-precious stone, pendulums, healing products such as tumbles, crystal chips, crystal stones, crystal ball, malas, 7 chakra products, cashbox pyramids, aura scanners and complete set, yantras, brass idols, salt, rock salt lamps, healing posters such as many type of posters can be available in our shop.
Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe my channel so that any information will never be missed through you. And we all can transform our life in a better way. Thank you.